Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I do my nails. As you see here, just like that. It looks so neat and clean. They are so short, yes, but they are so beautiful. I'm gonna show you how I do them when I don't have a lot of time to like sit down and style my nails and add like a gel or body gel nails over my nails and have these hours, but at the same time I want to save my nails from breakage and water and help them to grow a little bit longer so I can style them when I have time to. So as you can see, it looks so beautiful. It's really important to have a really nice even perfect nail. Looks so beautiful because your hands is your personality actually as a girl. So I'm going to show you how I do this in this video. So hi again, I have my nails clean and ready to do them, and as you can see, they are not perfect but so short, so I leave them like that. Actually, I just removed my body gel nails. I'm gonna use the acid-based primer before the top coat from Valari, yeah, Valari. Anyway, it's amazing top coat. It's really shiny and at the same time it's non-wipe, so it stays on without like having this greasy kind of sticky layer. And I have my UV lamp ready to be used, and the first thing I'm gonna use a base primer. Of course, you can use a top coat only, but actually I found out when using the top coat only without using a base primer or acid-based primer before applying the top coat, it doesn't last that long. So that's why I use this combination. Actually I'm using them like first step and last step in the gel routine. So that's actually what I'm gonna do. This is kind of like applying a nail polish or something, like 2 coats of nail polish by using a UV lamp to cure them. Really helps to save my nails because my nails are so weak right now and they really need to be saved, like having a protection layer over it. So that's what I'm doing here. So sorry for the cats outside the home, and they are like, yeah, in front of my door. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply my hands in the UV lamp just like that, and I'm gonna do it for 2 minutes and yeah, cure them and coming back. So of course I speed it up. I'm not gonna like stay here like with you for 2 minutes to beat it up. And now the acid primer is cured. Now it's time to the top coat. This top coat is really amazing, really helps to save my nails. As you can see, with only the acid primer, my nails look so beautiful. But I'm gonna apply the top coat to have this layer over my nails so it keep them from damage from water, especially water, because it really helps to protect the nails, just like a protective layer over my nails. So after like 2 or 3 weeks, my nail will grow, and I have like a really good pace to apply gel or body gel over my nails, because as you can see, my nails are very small, so I need like a larger space so to do that. And now I don't have that much time, I have a lot of work to do, so this is kind of a quick way to save my nails in just no time. So again, I'm gonna do this for cure it for 2 minutes and coming back in no time. Of course, again, speed it up, and here we go. And I finished this hand right now, and as you can see, looks so beautiful, so shiny, looks so clean and neat. It's really important to have a really clean, neat nails, even if it's really short, doesn't have any nail polish on. Just is so important. You need to have a really good shaped like fingernails. So this is after I finished my 2 hands, and as you can see, I added another like a correction on this finger, but it still have this little black dot. But anyway, as you can see, looks so beautiful, so glossy. I love glossy nails, it's so amazing. And my hands were so cold, so you see a little bit of discoloration in my right hand especially. And as you can see, my nails is really nice. They are not even needed to be filed, but it's really short, so I don't have space to file them right now. I'm gonna wait for a couple of days. So this is what I use usually for my hands or for my nails when I don't have any time to spend like an hour or 2 doing gel or body nails. So really amazing, really time saving, and at the same time save your nails. So I really hope you like this video and it was helpful for you. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in the next video. I love you so much. Bye.